How's it going there, guys? Jeremy here, Consciousness Awake, sending you positive vibrations like always. How are you guys doing today? So today I wanted to talk about the silver cord. The silver cord is something that comes up in comments a lot, other channels, through my email here and there, and so I wanted to address my own observation of what the silver cord is, what I've seen, what I've felt myself while in out-of-body experiences. First off, the first thing I want to say is it's not necessarily like a chord, like a chord, right? It's not a chord that's like connected to any particular part of your physical body. You know, some people sometimes feel like it's the back of their neck or head, their back, etc. I think a lot of times the navel, but a lot of times what happens is when you're trying to have an out-of-body experience and your body's, let's say, laying down in bed, and your other body is starting to flop up, you know, your other energy body is starting to come up, and you're sensing and feeling with your consciousness, you're feeling this other body's movements, like a tugging, a pulling sensation. So sometimes I think that that tugging, pulling sensation, or sometimes people are trying to get out of their body and they get stuck, and then that they feel like a sort of a tug and a pull, like coming back towards their physical body. And so I think sometimes people just assume that's the the silver cord, the astral cord. But this is what I think it is. Yes, the silver cord is real. Like I said, it's not actually a cord. It's almost like a bunch of small cords. You know, it's they're coming out. They're associated. The silver cord is kind of associated with all your main chakra points, main chakra vortexes, and all the micro chakras, hundreds of them that are all around your physical body. So it's like this energetic connection. So the silver cord, visually, if you were to look at it, would be just a energetic connection from your human body to your etheric body and astral bodies and so on. They're like little threads, right? So it's not. So again, it's not like a one cord. I've seen. Sometimes I don't notice the silver cord when I'm out of body, but a lot of times I have seen it, especially if you think about it or focus on it. You see the energy of it, you know, and sometimes it's different colors. It's called a silver cord because yes, it looks like there's some kind of silvery energy, so to speak. But I've seen different colors and different things associated with it at different times. And yeah, so like one time. I was in my etheric body, 4D, out of my physical body, going down the hallway away from where my physical body was laying in bed. And I do remember kind of reminding myself to look for the silver cord. And so what I noticed is that once I focused on it, it was just kind of all around me in a way. You know, like if I focused forward and looking in front of my face, so to speak, like I can kind of see it forming in front of me, you know. So that's why I said it's not like just some cord that's, yanking you from the back, you know, back into the physical body. It can definitely feel that way. At times, which I've also felt myself. For a while, I thought it was actually just connected to the back of my head, but then I found out it wasn't. So when you are, when you're leaving your physical body during an astral projection, okay, And when you're detaching from your physical body, that instance when you feel the sensations, the energies of your other body, your consciousness is tying into it, and you start feeling it, and you're in two different bodies, two different places at the same time in that moment. What you'll notice is as you're trying to detach, it will be kind of hard to do it. It feels almost like you're kind of glued down or velcroed. Like actually, velcro is a good way of describing it, because what it feels like is if you move side to side or up and down or try to levitate up, bounce up and down, roll, roll away as you're starting the astral projection into that other body. It's almost like there's Velcro attached to the back. The sensation of Velcro, snapping apart, so to speak, between the two bodies is what I'm trying to describe. So that's why people sometimes have to really kind of push themselves and put some effort and manually kind of like get out of body. And then once you're actually free and away from your body, then it's more mental. So you don't have to manually or exert as much energy to actually lift up and away and detach or unvelcro yourself. And so this silver cord, I think what people are describing, is like almost like this Velcro that's attaching in between our different multidimensional bodies that are associated with different ranges of vibrational frequency. And then, of course, each of those bodies and different frequencies are tied into different planes, and there's different realities, all embedded within all those different planes. So there you go, guys. So I wanted to just give you my own personal observation of the silver cord. I hope that helped somebody. At least it's coming from my own experiences, and that's what counts. I think that's what really matters, and that's why I'm doing this. That's why I have consciousness awake as a channel, so that I can get more of my experiences out to you guys. All right, so you guys have a wonderful day. Peace. I should upload another video here actually within probably tonight or maybe tomorrow morning. All right, see you later, guys.